Hello, welcome. BECE 2025, question number 5A. The pie chart, as we are seeing, not drawn to scale, shows the weight in kilogram of item Mrs. Mensah bought for her household. The items are flour, an angle of 54 degrees, gari, 90 degrees, sugar, 36 degrees, fish, an unknown, then rice, 108 degrees. So what angle represent fish? Remember, a pie chart shows a total angle of 360. So if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 of the angles are known, it is just to say that the last one is what added to the total to give us 360. So I can only say that total angle is going to be 360. That's a total angle. All these supposed to be 360. So that means, I think I'm talking about question I. That implies that the angle for gari flour, right? 54, 90 plus rice, 108 plus 36 plus y, if I let y be the angle for what? Fish. So let's just say let angle for what is that? Fish equals to y. Okay, I think that will make sense. So now let's add. I think this and this will be 90 plus this 180, 288. So I should be having 288 degree plus y equals to 360 degrees. So y will be equals to 360 degree minus 288 degree. If you add 2 to that, that will give you 90. So we needed 70. So we have 72 degrees, right? All right. So the angle representing fish is going to be 72 degrees. All right. What is next? For number 2, we are saying that if the total item, which are in kilogram, is what? 20 kg. Then what is the weight of flour? The weight of flour inside the 20. Remember, the flour is just 54 out of the total of this. Meaning that fraction times this will give us the portion of the total weight that goes for what? Flour. So we can say that weight of flour that is going to be, what is the angle, which is 54 out of total angle of 360 times the value of what? The kg. That's 20. Let's see what we can do from here. This will cancel this. Then 9 can go here 6 times. 9 can go here 4 times. 2 goes into itself, 1 go here 2. 2 goes into 6, that will give us 3. You can find your own common factors to cancel to get to what we have as well, 3 kg. That means the weight inside the 20 kg, that's the flour weight, is going to be 3 kg. All right. Then the last part of the question, we have to express correct to 1 decimal place the weight of sugar. The weight of sugar as a percentage of weight of what? Rice. So we need to find the weight of sugar, we need to find the weight of rice, then we express one as a percentage of what? The other. Let's see how we can do that also. Okay, so from here we are looking for the second part. Let's go for weight of sugar. Is going to be the angle for sugar, which is 360 times 36 divided by total angle times the 20 kg. And I'm sure the zeros will cancel, and this will go here 1. That is going to be, will it be 1? Let's check. This cancel this, this cancels. I'll give you 2. So 2 kg. All right. Let's see, we find the weight of rice, right? That is 108 divided by 360 times 20 kg. So let's see if we want to cancel. This will cancel this. Then 2 goes there, 1 go here, 18. So 108 over 18. That will be what is left. No, yeah, 2 cancel 18. Then 9 will go here, 2 times, 9 will go here, 12. So that will be 6. So we should be having 6 kg. All right, but that's not all that we are looking for. We are looking for percentage. So expressing percentage to one decimal place, the weight of sugar as a percentage of the weight of rice, the weight of sugar as a percentage of the quantity that comes after of become denominator. So I can say that percentage, okay, let me just, because of space, percentage is going to be the weight of sugar, which is 2, the weight of rice, which is 6, expressed as what? A percentage. And this is going to be, go here 1, go here 3. And 3 dividing 100. It will go into 10 3 times, remainder 1. Goes to the remaining 10 3 times, remainder 1. So that is going to give you 33.33%. It's a 1 decimal place. It will be 33.33333. You can show the long division and come back to this answer. I guess the concept employed in the pie chart as an application of what data collection is understood. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more.